Assalamu alaikum and hello everybody. Today I'm sharing with you my very favorite Peshawari Chapli Kabab recipe. This is the authentic Kisahani Bazaar's Chapli Kabab recipe. The way they make it, it's very simple and very rustic and very easy to make. So first of all, we are going to make a spice mix for this Chapli Kabab. Some black pepper, whole, cumin, which has not been roasted, and then we've got some spices, which is basically very simple: 1 whole tablespoon of coriander seeds, not been roasted, 1 cardamom pod that's been crushed, and then a very small pinch of salt. This will enhance the flavor of this spice make. It's just going to take it to another level. I'm going to roast it about 5 to 6 minutes or 4 to 5 minutes. As soon as it starts changing color, as soon as it's just, you can feel that it's just roasting, the aroma is really nice. I'm just going to coarsely ground it in a pestle and mortar. We're not after any fine powder. It has to be really rough. It's a rustic dish, a very forgiving dish, so it has to be like really rough that you can actually taste it, the texture. Next is ajwain seeds, and then we've got some about 1 teaspoon or half teaspoon of crushed chilies, as much as you like. This is dried pomegranate seed, or anardana as we call it, easily available in the market. And then I have taken about half a kilo of mince. This is the gram flour, which I've roasted, about 2 to 3 tablespoons, onions, tomatoes, and coriander, which has been finely chopped. Tomatoes, I have taken the seeds out, and it's completely water free at the minute. And then we've got some chopped garlic, or minced garlic ideally, and some very finely chopped ginger and chilies that we're going to add. Please make sure that it's really finely chopped. It is going to give a really nice texture to the whole kebab. And then we've got the masala, and this is 1 hard-boiled egg. If you can't find lamb fat, this is the trick I'm telling you. It is going to give an extra richness and that really smoothness to the kebab, and you will feel the difference. I mean, ideally, if you can get some lamb fat, that's ideal. Get it with the mince. If you can't, get this 1 hard-boiled egg into the mix, and then give it a really good mix. Add salt later on. I did it deliberately. Reason being, if I added before, tomatoes were going to become really mushy and watery, and we didn't want that. So I'm just going to mix everything very well, and once it starts forming into a ball, a meatball shape, that's it, it's done. Set aside for about 30 minutes, and then we are going to make a patty out of it. First of all, I'll show how I make a burger patty out of it. Try this, guys, in your burgers. The summer is now upon us. Barbecue season is there. You can make it on the barbecues rather than just frying it. Trust me, this is the best burger you will ever have, this chapli kebab. I mean, you can use chicken, you can use beef, you can use lamb, whatever mince you want to use, but trust me, this is the most juiciest and lovely burger you can have. So this is the burger patty that I've made. It was slightly thicker, so it took about 5 to 7 minutes each side. And so the next one is the authentic chapli kebab shape, which is really thin. They just thin it out once it's in the hot pan, and it's with a very little oil, because obviously the mince itself is fatty, so it is going to release its own fats, and it cooks within its fat. So this will probably take about 3 to 4 minutes each side, and it is done. This is ideal with naan, parathas, or any plain chapati, roti, or flatbread. It's just delicious. And look how smoothly the burger patty cuts, and how juicy it is. The juices are just oozing out, and trust me, it's so delicious. I can't even begin to explain how delicious it looks. And by this time I was really hungry, which you can see I've broken it and I've started eating it. So guys, do let me know how you find this recipe. Do give it a try, and do like and subscribe to my channel. I shall see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.